All right, everybody, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to open up two images in Photoshop so that they are in the same document. So the first thing I want to do is open Photoshop. You can find Photoshop down on your toolbar, or if you need to, you can go to your Launchpad and find the Photoshop application that way. But either way, get Photoshop open. Then what you can do is from the top, you can go File, Open, or you can use this open button right here and it will take you to your Finder and you can find your two photos that way. We want to start with finding one photo first and then we'll add the second one in. The two photos that I'm actually going to be using are already here in my project dashboard. So I'm going to start by clicking on my first photograph and it will open it for me. If it kicks you to Camera Raw by default, that's absolutely fine. Just go ahead and choose from the bottom right, Open Image, and it will send you all the way into Photoshop. But looking over here in the Layers panel, you can see I only have one image in my document right now, and I want to add a second one so that I see both of them in this Layers area. What I'm going to do now is go File, and instead of choosing File Open, I'm going to choose File Place Embedded. Once I do that, I can go and find my second image. So once you find your image, wherever it is on your computer, you select it so that it turns highlighted blue, and you choose Place. Now it's going to show up with the X across it. Yours may be highlighted blue, but that means that your document is in the transformation mode. So what I can do here is I can click on my image and hold and move it around. And then I can actually scale it so that it can fit in proportion with my first picture, or I can make it larger or smaller or rotate it, whatever I need to do to this image. If I want to rotate it, you can see my mouse turns into a double-ended curved arrow. I just click and hold, and when I push it up or down, I can rotate it side to side. The other thing I can do is I can click and hold from a corner and stretch it. If I hold down the Shift key, it'll keep it locked into proportion. Once I have it to the size that I want, I press Enter or Return on my keyboard, and it will lock my picture into place. And now over in my Layers panel, you can see that I have both of my images open over here. What I'm going to do before I go ahead and get started is click on my background layer and make a copy of this background layer by clicking and holding and dragging down to the layer copy icon, or the create new layer icon down here. So now I have two adjustable layers that if I want to flip-flop them around in order, I can do that.